2011 was our first time visiting Bohol Beach Club as a young family. Little did we know that 11 years after, we're coming back to reminisce the memories once again. Bohol Beach Club was built in 1984 with only 67 guest rooms. Now, the club boasts 184 room accommodations in different categories. Bohol Beach Club has several room accommodations to fit in with the budget of each traveler. There are standard rooms that are simple yet equipped with modern conveniences for comfortable stay. Other categories, as you go upward in rank, are more plush and stylish. Whatever room you have chosen, all will enjoy the white sand beach and crystal blue waters which Bohol Beach Club is famous for. This amazing place is facing southward with an unobstructed breathtaking view of the sunrise. This resort boasts a private white sand beach with pristine blue waters. From the rooms to the pools to the restaurants, the activities and facilities here have been enhanced to satisfy every guest's expectations. Bohol Beach Club is an island paradise set amidst a 1.5-kilometer stretch of powdery white sandy beach and clear blue waters. The beach is the club's greatest asset. This vast expanse of fine powdery white sand beach sprawls several meters off the shallow shores. And Bohol Beach Club continues to boast of having the best beach on the island. Not only because it is a large private beach with powdery white sand and pristine waters, but also with the breathing space that guests need to enjoy, that is, without the maddening crowd and unwanted distractions.
Look at those palm trees there!
The water beyond the beach is crystal clear and quite shallow for several hundred meters. Morning low tides are great for walking on the waters as you take in the beauty and grandeur of God's creation. Everyone will surely love wading and frolicking in the waters. You can also observe the tiny colored fishes as they dart in and out of the sea grasses. You can also pick the starfishes that are spread over the seabed. And near sundown, lots of starfishes and hermit crabs come to the water edge and are sight to behold. Yes, Bohol Beach Club is good for your rest and recreation. With its beautiful and well-tended gardens, luxurious room accommodations, and excellent services, you will feel cared for and experience peace and total rejuvenation. Looking at the green palms, shiny white sand, and the blue waters beyond, you will surely feel you are in paradise. The club is an epitome of luxury, fitted with all necessary modern amenities, taking in all the comforts that one would desire to live in style while on vacation. Being the first on the island, the resort has undergone tremendous changes with its recent renovation and continued updates. But the same old feeling of nostalgia still remains. From its beginning till today, Bohol Beach Club has become at the forefront of the resort industry in Bohol by offering modern facilities and top-class services. Just like our family, from its younger beginning to its more mature state today, nothing much has changed. Still the same old us, just a little bit refined and molded with time. All of these luxuries only take approximately 10 minutes from Panglao International Airport or 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran Port if you take the fast craft coming from Cebu City. If you want some more details, I will put the links down below. And since you have reached this far, maybe you can subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated on other incoming stories. I still have a lot to share, promise. Or why not drop a comment down below so we can talk. So between now and then, see you next mga ka-teammates. Thank you very much for watching and good night Bohol Beach Club and see you all again tomorrow. Stay safe and I love you all.